Playtime. Yeah. Get him! Get him! Get him, Thunderbird! You don't play. Yeah, don't tell him. Uh-oh. Don't play. Get him, bird. Get him, bird. Get him, bird. Get him, Thunderbird. Get him, Thunderbird. Get him, girl. Oh, Lord. Oh! Mm-hmm. Get him, bird. Get him, bird. Uh-huh. There we go. Uh-oh. Get a bird. Yeah. This is what they do to play. They have fun with each other, wrestle. That's Luke. He's a young male. He wants to flex on her. They tell him, you're gonna flex, boy. Get him, bird. Get him, bird. Anyways, we like to play with them. They have fun, but look, don't they look healthy? Look at them. In about a month, they'll be drawed completely up, and I'm gonna give them twice the amount of food that they're getting now. They run so hard, and they work so hard for us that they get skinny. Anyways, that's it for tonight. Don't hate your local dog hunter, because these are my family. I live here by myself, and these are my friends, and I love them dearly. And that's about it.